Please welcome to the show Te Upoko o Arowhenua, Te Wera King. Mōrena matua.
Tēnā koe, tēnā rā koutou, mihi aroha, mihi tautoko ki tātou whānau me ngā iwi, ki te tai pautini, ki te tau ihu o te waka ki tēnei wā hoki.
Ai, kia ora. Welcome to the show. So we're here to talk about Hui-a-iwi. It is back on this year. It's been held over 2 days at the Arowhenua Marae, November the 26th and 27th. Matua, what does it mean for Arowhenua to host Hui-a-iwi again this year after it was cancelled last year?
Oh, it's huge. Absolutely massive. I go back to 2007, which was the last time we hosted it, and it was a brilliant weekend for us as kaimahi and kai tautoko for the Hui-a-tau, as it was known then, and it's really good now. It's good to see the buzz amongst our rangatahi who are involved in the organising committee and the ideas that are coming up and from them too about how to do this and how to approach it, and it's an exciting thing to see our rangatahi standing up.
Kia ora. Yes, it is exciting, and it is exciting to see rangatahi get behind it as well, because I know everyone has been holding out since it was last held in Waihopai. This year's theme is revitalisation. Tell us more about that.
Well, the last couple of years, what have we all really been doing? COVID. We're all exhausted from it. It has affected all of our hinengaro. And as an iwi, it has isolated ourselves from each other for such a long time that we do need to get back together as an iwi to celebrate and to get our minds right for what's coming up next. So, in terms of the theme, the revitalisation is about not just revitalisation, but reinvigorating our people.
Yeah, that's so true. It has been really tough during this time, especially when you're not able to kihi an auntie or hongi. It was just really, really awkward and strange. So what can we expect over the 2 days?
Oh, I'm really hoping we can just not expect, but just go there and enjoy each other.
Yeah, that's what it's all about.
You know, during this period, we've had a lot of expectations. Now it's time just to celebrate being together, being whānau again.
That is so true. And that's what it is. It's just a big party for our whānau. So, how can whānau register for Hui-a-iwi, and where can we get more information on the program?
On the Ngaitahu website, or Facebook, or the Arowhenua website, arowhenua.org. If you can't make it on the day, it will be live streamed, and there will be links on the Ngaitahu website or Tahu FM Facebook page too.
I'm looking forward to it. Matua, before we wrap up, do you have anything else to say to our whānau this morning?
E te whānau tēnā te mihi atu kia kaita katoa mai I te whare ko te hapo inu te rini. Nei rā te karanga ki a tātou katoa mai a tātou kia whakapiri ai te wā o te Hui-a-iwi, kia whakawhanaunga ai, kia kata ai, kia mini ai, ki te whakarongo mai, ki ngā taki kai mua I a tātou e te iwi o ngai tahu whānui. Nō reira, tēnā rā koutou.
Te Upoko o Arowhenua, Te Wera King. Kia ora matua. Thank you. You've got a busy day?
Oh, yeah,
Always busy, always working for the iwi. You have kia pai tō ora matua.
Kia koe hoki e hoa.